Hello and welcome to our guided meditation of finding the space between the thoughts. This is a very simple yet effective technique, and we'll do a short introduction of 5 minutes, and once you learn this technique you can do it for as long as you like. So let's come into a comfortable seat, bring the first finger and thumb together and rest the hands, palms down for grounding and calming, or palms up for awakening. We close our eyes. We'll take 2 deep, relaxing breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let go as you exhale. One more time when you're ready. Let your body be soft and relaxed. We turn the attention in towards the thoughts. We begin to become aware of the stream of thoughts flowing through our awareness. And as you watch the thoughts, you find the end of one thought and the beginning of the next thought. As you find the beginning and the end, you begin to notice a space, however small, between 2 thoughts. And without any struggle or effort, we simply become aware of that space between 2 thoughts. As we watch and become aware of that space, you may notice that the space begins to grow. The final stage of this meditation is to look for the origin of the thoughts. Where are these thoughts coming from within yourself? And as we look to find the thoughts, very often those thoughts slow down. we come to the end of this short guided meditation. Now that you have learned this technique, you can use it for longer. The first stage is simply to watch the thoughts and become aware of the pause between two thoughts. And then towards the end of your meditation, you begin to search for the origin, the place from within where those thoughts are coming from. And simply by looking for the mind, very often the mind becomes quiet. So I wish you all the best in your meditation practice.